if you do it that way, then
Daddy!
if you move it backwards. Hi guys, it's kid time, and today we're going to be unboxing the Wall Rallyist. The Wall Rallyist is a remote-controlled car that drives on tables, floors, walls, and even ceilings. It comes with the remote control and the car's rechargeable, so you can play with it over and over again.
So let's unbox it. Let's test it out.
Let's do it!
Let's do it.
So the car's blue, and it looks real cool. And I like the shape it's in, and I like that it says SGILE. I don't know how to say that. And I also like it because blue is my favorite color.
And we get black.
But no, that's the remote control.
Wow.
So on this remote control, the left joystick goes up and down, and the right joystick goes left and right.
Where's
there's
the car?
an on and off button. Okay. And I'm trying to put the charger on. I haven't read the instructions yet, but I think that the ABC stands for like A for the floor, B for the wall, and maybe C for the ceiling. And yeah, and this is very light. It's an on and off switch, and I see from the square that it needs batteries. So we got this out of the box, and here's what it looks like. I think this is really good for little kids because it's light and because it's very light. And on the bottom of these cars, there are two sets of wheels, one for your wall and one for the floors. Also, on the back of this car, you can choose which mode you want to put this on. So we're going to charge it up a little bit and test it out for you. Alright guys, so we charged this thing up, and now we are going to test driving it on the table.
Let's get started. You ready? Go. Go, Timmy, go. Oh.
Ow! Wait, it's off?
Don't do it yet. Timmy, don't do it yet. Now do it.
Now.
Oh.
Timmy, go forward.
Timmy, go forward like this.
No,
See?
this is forward.
Oh my God. Okay, let's go back.
Go back, alright? Cool. So first you want to make sure it's not on floor mode, it's on wall. What?
Whoa.
Then just around. want one of these, you can get it at Amazon.com, and the link will be in the description below. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and put in the comments below what videos you want us to make. Have a rally awesome day. Get it? Get it?
Mommy! Mommy! Have a rally awesome day.